One of my most asked questions is, what do you do to reduce or alleviate your dark circles? Because it seems like you don't have any. My answer is sleep, yes, but there are many nights that I don't get enough sleep. And so my second answer is facial massage, especially for your eye area. And over the years, I've done and experimented with so many different kinds of eye massage techniques. And for those of you who are in a crunch, this is going to be the exercise you want to follow every morning or nighttime, and I promise you, you're going to see results. So this is all you have to do for maybe 2-3 minutes every day, and let me tell you, you're going to see results. So let's start. You know the drill. The very first step is to apply ample amount of eye cream, because if you don't have anything underneath, that is going to be tugging on dry skin, and that's going to create more unnecessary wrinkles. So we don't want that. So you can just gently apply it in whatever way you want to. I like to typically go in circles, and with any excess, you're going to apply to your laugh line, just anywhere around your face. Just make sure your whole face is hydrated at the same time as well. Now, once the eye cream is a little seeped in, we're going to do an exercise where we're going to just gently massage the eye cream in and start activating the muscles around here just by gently pressing it in. It doesn't have to be strong pressure, just a little bit of pressure for an activation, and just do this motion for 30 seconds. And now after that, grab your gua sha. And honestly, if you don't have a gua sha, you can just use your knuckles in like this position. Use like the edge of this. But I'm going to show you how to do it with a gua sha first. So it doesn't really matter what type of gua sha you have for this one. Just use like the edge where you have that. And then we're going to conduct an acupressure, because you want to open up these passageway for circulation around your eye area, because this is going to help lead to more of a brighter eye complexion. So we always start from the corner of our eye, gently press that in, and then move it around in circular motions. You're just going to move it in one direction for about 10 seconds. Then we're going to move on to right underneath our eye right here, and then go in circular motions, 10 seconds. Just go on like, half an inch at a time towards the end, and then we're going to go right to the side of our eye. The same thing. There's going to be 6 acupressure points you do around your area, and this is honestly going to help improve your overall complexion, not just for your eye, but just everywhere. And this brow area right here, and the last point is another brow area. And for me, honestly, doing this exercise on my brow is so relieving, because we hold so much tension on our brows by looking at our phones or computers, just like things all the time. So you carry so much stress around here without you even knowing. After that, you just want to like spread that out, relieve it with your gua sha. Okay, so as you mentioned, just like 6 points, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you want to do that 3 times each eye. Okay, now with the other side, I'm just going to show you how to do it without a gua sha. You use your finger like this, start it from this point, and then just move it in circular motion. Press in, then move it in circular motion. You just want to do the same thing for the 6 points. After you're done with the 6 points, you're just going to glide, glide, glide that across. Now the next exercise is going to be focused on relieving some of the muscles that's around your eye area, and that also can help with like droopy eyes. So what we're going to first do is we're going to start with, lifting our face up with one hand, and then with our 2 fingers, we're going to start right in between your nose, like the edge of your nose and your eyes. Find the halfway point, and you're just going to move this up, down, up, down. Just make sure your mouth is shut when you're doing this instead of talking like I am. But this is going to help make sure it's in the right position, but also have a little bit of a lift. And then do this to help improve some of the circulation, but also helps with like the lifting aspect of your eye. Just do this for 30 seconds to 1 minute on one side. And then we are going to swap that. So place it, lift, and then up, down, up, down. And now the second to last exercise we have is you want to place one finger right under your eye like this, and then 3 fingers right underneath it, and you're gonna move these at the same time like this, okay? Just gentle, gentle acupressure. There's no gliding here. There's no strong pressure here. Just gentle motions for this area, because what leads to dark circles, a big factor of it is not having enough circulation around this area. So we're just opening up the passageway for that, and this is going to help lead to much brighter eyes and reduce the color, the darkness of your dark circles. Now we're going to move on to the next side and do the same thing for both sides, and do this for 30 seconds to a minute for each side. So after doing that, the last step to wrap everything up is just going to warm your hands, warm it up, and then place it over your eyes. And then breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Just place it like this. It's kind of like a small sleeping mask for your eyes. And then you are done. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. Make sure you subscribe and like this video to follow for more jello skin exercises to look youthful. Thank you guys.